How we doing, everyone? Got this beautiful December afternoon with two beautiful Ariens snowblowers. So this is my 1963 10ML60, and this is 1971 Ariens 24-inch snow throw. I had done a bunch of work to this a couple of years ago. I'd sold it to a buddy of mine. He wanted a more powerful, easier running engine. He wanted a Predator swap done to it. So he had a really nice Ariens 7-horse Tecumseh on it. And I kind of wanted to make this thing original again. I mean, granted, this came with a 5-horse, not a 7-horse, but I said, hey, what the heck? Maybe we can make a deal here. And sure enough, we did. So I got an original engine back on my 10ML60, and he's got a Predator swap on his. So both these swaps came out really nice. This engine's in really good shape, runs really nice. Give you a little demo here. Let's see, full choke, throttle. Oh, he wants to go. There we go. Oh yeah, burn like kitten. Love these old Tecumsehs when they just hold an idle perfect, you know? So yeah, I'm happy. Again, I got an original-ish motor back on this machine. My buddy's gonna be happy. He's got a newer, more powerful, more reliable engine on his snowblower. I think the deal worked out well. Hope you guys enjoy.